We're going to go over how to test a faulty switch. This is off of a 12-gallon Ridgid shop vac, the ones that you get at Home Depot. Which has two settings, 0 and 1. 1 means on. So let's turn both these on. We need a digital multimeter. Set it to resistance. It looks like the omega sign. Set it on the lowest setting. Put the leads, doesn't matter positive or negative, to the metal connectors, and you'll see that the numbers on the multimeter start jumping around here. That means that this switch is working. Let's try this switch here. I connected and there's no change in the number here, it's just 1. So if I put it to 0, obviously there's not going to be any change either. The good one, when it's on, you get the numbers jumping here. When it's off, there is no flow of electrons, no resistance, it's disconnected. So I got this replacement one from Amazon for like $5. There are two things that can go wrong in the Ridgid vac. Most commonly, the easiest thing to check is the switch, and the other thing that could go wrong is the thermal fuse, which takes a little more work, but it's not impossible. Maybe I'll make another video how to replace that. Sometimes both can go bad, but the first thing to check is the switch and then the thermal fuse, and you check them pretty much in the same way.